RSLS stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, with the most proof documented, and I have all that on my YouTube channel with 39,000 videos. Most recent prediction was a sell side prediction, and that was correct. And here, you know, I marked up my supply zone, and I was like, right, sure, if there is a double break in the supply, I'm still looking to take things down. We just gapped up, and seems like it's about to close with 65% off for the day, which is solid. Still, we've yet to break with a full candle close above the high right here, you know. So what I'm gonna not do is randomly start buying. I mean, other than that, man, like if I do see this shift here, then yeah, that's solid, and then I'm looking to take things down. But rather than that, you know, like it's a no man's land. Like think of this as a zone where either the price is going to take the highs or the lows, because it will not stay here forever, and I just react to whatever the price gives me. So I'll continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.